It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Friday, the 26th of January. I'm Michael Groff. A cooler day today, but we start a warming trend this weekend that will continue through much of next week. Temperatures going way above average, up toward record levels. How long does that last? And do we have any hope at all of seeing any precipitation anytime soon? Well, let's talk about it as we get out there this morning. 77 degrees was the high in the valley yesterday after a morning low of 46. And outside right now here at 6:10 a.m. We start this day out under mostly clear skies at 48 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 23, humidity 37%. The winds are calm and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning. Most of us are in the 40s to about 50 degrees. The water vapor satellite view shows a trough passing mainly north of Arizona. That's where all of the moisture and dynamics will remain, so no threat of precipitation around here. The watch warning map, some winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings in the Pacific Northwest, red flag advisories in the nation's midsection, along with a few wind advisories. But most of the country is pretty quiet right now. The convective outlook is also quiet. No organized severe weather to talk about. Rainfall in our part of the world for the next week or so, coming from the WPC. This is valid through next Friday morning. Nothing for us here in the valley. Nothing statewide as our dry weather will continue. And that is some really bad news. We haven't checked this map in a while. And this is our latest drought monitor here in Arizona. And it's getting worse. Now, the entire state is encompassed at least in the moderate drought category, with about half of the state in severe drought. So Pima, Santa Cruz, Pinal, much of Cochise, Graham, Greenlee, Apache, Navajo, and part of Coconino County is now in the severe drought category. And that's only going to get worse because we'll talk about what's happening around here for the next 7 to 10 days or so as we get out to the models and take a peek at it. Here we go to the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. And there's that cold upper trough passing harmlessly north of Arizona. Now, today, down at the surface, a sunny day, highs in the mid and upper 60s, so it will be cooler than we've seen the last few days. Tonight, clear skies, lows mid-30s in the cold spots, mid-40s in the mid-city. Tomorrow, we start the warming trend. We'll be in the low 70s, maybe mid-70s in the warmest areas. Sunday, sunny skies, highs upper 70s to around 80 degrees. Monday, we're likely in the low 80s. Some of the guidance is coming in with highs in the mid-80s. The record high on Monday is 83 degrees. We'll be right around there. Tuesday, low 80s are likely with sunny skies. The record high 82, so we could be challenging records on at least a couple of days next week. Wednesday, upper 70s to around 80. Some troughing passing over the northern Rockies and out into the Plain States the middle and latter part of next week, so temperatures might start to ease back just a bit, but we'll still be well above average. Here's Thursday, same thing. We're in the mid and upper 70s. Friday, a week from today, this is the 2nd of February, same deal. Highs mostly mid and upper 70s. Here's Saturday the 3rd, and you can see we're still pretty warm and dry, and then this is the end of the 10-day forecast period. Sunday the 4th of February, the flow starting to become a little bit more zonal, and that may mean temperatures fall back a few degrees, but overall, we're going to keep readings above average for the foreseeable future, and no threat of any precipitation. Let's take a look at it anyway, though. This is the European Ensemble. There's 51 members here. This goes out through 15 days. And eyeballing it here, it looks like about 22 members are showing some precipitation out beyond 10 days. But the Ensemble mean is also at the bottom there, showing around a quarter inch, maybe 0.3 of an inch of precipitation. But that's only about 40% of the members or so are showing any precipitation around here. And that's just not good. I don't think we're going to see anything for at least 10 days, and the pattern would favor that we stay dry well beyond that. Checking the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS Ensemble, we're going to keep it above average. I'm not sure temperatures stay in the upper 70s and low 80s for the next 15 days, but above average levels are certainly likely. Highs in the 70s, lows 40s, and 50s seem pretty likely, and that's at least 10 degrees above where we should be. And that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is going to come back here on Monday morning. So you guys have yourselves a great weekend. Be safe out there, and we'll see you again next week. Have a great one, everybody.